Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. So in this video today, I will be talking to you about editing and how you can edit if you have a particular, let's say, point, line, polygon, feature layers. You could edit them using the edit here in the edit toolbar, and then but I'm also going to show you how you can also create one and then be able to edit and work with it from there. So first of all, I would want to change this particular base map. I would usually use the I will use the imagery base map so that I can get much more, I can go much, I can see what is happening and then be able to edit or make a particular layer out of it. I can see it much more clearly and know what is what, whether buildings are different from grasses or trees, and just to give me a context of, it could also tell you, oh, well, these are tiny foot, not the major road, but like, where people can actually walk and all that. So it gives you more context. Then that is why I would use the word imagery base map, because now I can see more context. And if I have any need to differentiate, let's say, polygons, I can be able to differentiate different polygons, maybe buildings to, let's say, buildings to parcel, to buildings to let's say park, or any other kind of thing you want to do here, and maybe stadium or whatever you want to do. But today I'll just be showing you how to create polygon, a line, and how to edit them too, and maybe quite a number of things you can do in the edit toolbar. So let's dive into the video. So I don't have anything to do here. I would have usually gone to edit and try to create, but I don't have anything to edit. So I need to first of all make a feature that I want to edit or work on. So I would come here and new. So I want to make a new feature class, and then I can type, let's say, polygon, and I would just say next. Let's say if you want to add like a particular feature or whatever, this is the place to add it for the field, but I don't want to do anything. And you could also select the special reference, but I just keep everything, but I just want to show you. So I'm keeping everything, just wanted to let you see, and then next and finish. So we've made a polygon. Now we can be able to edit the polygon, but I would also want to make some other feature class. So I'll click on this again and I will say line or point. So remember that the other one was polygon, so that's why I left the type of feature as polygon. And then this is point, so I'm going to pick point. And then next, same thing applies here. If you want to edit, you can, add things there. But I still want to leave everything as it is, and then finish. So we've had our point layer here, And then lastly, I want to, in the feature class again, I want to create lines, and I want to come here and say line. Well, let's say line, just line, because that's just one of it anyways. But keep everything, and so you might want to differentiate the lines in this instance. You might want to differentiate. Let's say you want to create a field for, let's say, make a field for like roads and rivers and different types of road and highways and footpaths. It's all left for you to do that if you want to do, but I just click next all through and finish. So now guys, we've had the line and the point, line and polygon. So now we can be able to edit if we want to edit. So still on the edit toolbar, click create, and then you can click the polygon, and then you have a number of things you can select and work on here. And I would select create polygon features because it's more like irregular, so it gives me the opportunity to be able to uh, create these polygons that are usually um, in a square pattern, but it could be in any pattern. But because of its shape, irregularities, so that's why I'll be using this because it's more flexible working with. And so I would just be creating random polygons. It's just like to show you how to do these things. So I want to click here, then click here, and click here, and I wanna, so double click and it sticks. So that is it. I've done for that. I've created a polygon, and I could also do for this particular building. And well, I'll just and so this is it, guys. So you just create as much polygon as you, depending on whatever you're working on. And but this is how to do that. And I'm just creating some random polygons, and it might not just really be exactly, but I'm just like making some polygons here. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, so one thing you also have to keep in mind is the save button. So you save with this save button and not this one. So you just hit save to save whatever you've done here. And I with this I can show you a ton of things you can actually work do with. This is just like how to create a polygon, but there's a tons of other things you could do with this polygon. You could decide to join the whole polygon. You could decide to do a whole lot of things with this polygon. You can also decide to add a lot of other shapes to this polygon and then still join it. There are tons of things you could do with this particular polygons. So but before we do anything with it, I would also show you how to create for point. Let's say we have point here, and I just want to create point, and I want to make these points, I don't know, but let's say the middle of these polygons and so this is how you create point. It could be that you're making a map of a particular place and then the points are like the capitals of major cities. It could be a whole lot of things. It could just be like the manholes on the ground. It could be a ton of other things. So whatever you want to make a point feature, that's what you want to make it for. So it's okay. But for now, I'm just like putting them in the middle of the polygons that we had already. Then I'll quickly go to the line, and the line will give me the opportunity to, let's say, if I want to make a road or something, so it's the line feature that does that. So usually it shows you like the green and then the red end, which is also like important, and then at least you can see the trend, where it starts and when it ends, and then that is it. So this is it, and then let's say I want to work on these two, and so if I want to join these two, so there are a lot of other things you could do here. You could try to merge, split, or reshape and add. So this is a lot of things you can. I can show you like how you could use all these tools in one video. But if you find any of them difficult, you could just let me know in the comment section, and then I will try to do a video on specifically on that. But for now, let's just use the merge, and then it's telling us that we want to merge these two features, and then I could say merge. Okay, it says merge feature completed, and then I want to did that merge? Okay, okay, both of these are now like they're together, so that's why it's so. If I These are separate. If I click on any one, so you can see like both of them are like, if they're different parcels before, it's not like two parcels. Is if there are two different parcels before, now it's one because this is separate, but they are together now. So that is it. So you can also choose to, let's say this particular one, I just want to split this, and let's see how this works. So yeah, so this kind of split it into a lot of things, but so it's you can choose to reshape. Oh, okay, so you can choose to reshape if you want to, and then you can also do a lot of other things, and also for legal descriptions, the video is already getting longer. So for legal descriptions, is still what you're going to use the edit tab to be able to do um some computations for legal description, but that could be in, let's say, next maybe video if like people are interested in knowing how to do more about editing. But this is basically how you can create a polygon line and points, and also, you know, make something out of it. You could use it to like create like your own map if you don't have the data set already. And that is it for the video, guys. Just let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Please share, like, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Thank you.